Hello friends, Porsche is preparing a brand new big luxury 7-seat electric SUV codenamed K1. The new SUV will be built on a premium platform electric. The car will compete with a Mercedes-Benz EQS and BMW iX. Now electric cars use a maximum of 800-volt architecture. The new Porsche K1 will have a 920-volt onboard system. It will allow to charge the car in a short time. The new K1 will get a powerful battery, which will suffice for more than 700 kilometers. The car will be the flagship of the Porsche lineup and will be equipped with all latest technologies. The production of the new Porsche K1 will take place at a Porsche plant in Leipzig. According to the latest information, it will be most expensive car model in the Porsche lineup. The premiere is expected in 2027. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.